So guys, hello. Yes, we have here the water twin or whatever it's called. It has no name now, and yes, you see it in Kyle's video, and I had to take it over from him. I had an idea to combine the nose of the SU57 and make some changes. I set the elevator servo on the side. I enlarged a little bit the ailerons, and I go outwards with the nacelles. We have differential thrust, and now we check it out. And if it flies, we go to the water. Thrust vector works. Half throttle. Good one. Thrust vector works.